Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube resolution quality unavailable. So let's get started. So first, let's open our YouTube app right here. And once you are in the YouTube app right here, you want to go into the video. You want to choose a video right here, any video that you want to select a quality from. So when you go here into your gear icon or your settings here in the video, you can see the quality right here. So you can choose the quality. And from here, as you can observe, that it doesn't indicate any specific qualities like 1080p, 720, 480, and so on. So what we could do with this one is that we're gonna need to select this advanced right here. So we need to tap that so that we can select a specific resolution. And from here, we can actually now see the quality for the current video. So the available qualities right here. So we could go 720, 480 right here. So it depends on how much quality the video has. So it could go 4K, or if your monitor or if your mobile screen could also handle the quality, then it would show up right here like 1080p, 4K, and whatsoever. But in my case, the only option is 720p right here. This is the highest one, so I'm just gonna select this. Just like that, and as you can see at the bottom, 720p will apply to your video, and it has now applied right here. So when I play this, it will be on 720p, and that is basically how you solve YouTube quality not available. So that is basically how you solve the resolution quality is So that is basically how you solve YouTube resolution quality unavailable.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.